back too long. I've been on the road too much. Had to get back to you. That do you. Can't even play it cool.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Ooh, do not mind my voice. I just woke up and everything. I'm getting ready for work, so we're gonna attempt to reinstall my wig, and then we're gonna get ready with me. So I already brushed my teeth, washed my face, and did all my hygiene things. So now we're just gonna try and reinstall this wig. So this is gonna be interesting because I just took it off last night. Yo, it looks a mess. It's kind of sad. And the hair is fine. It's just, I'm just gonna use this big comb for now. Yeah. I think that'll be fine. We're gonna see how long this install takes. It should take that long because like it's not my first time installing this. So it should take super long, but we will see. Not all the way dry, but I don't feel like waiting. Like, I don't feel like waiting because I just want to get this on. I don't feel like waiting. So we just gonna put this on. There it goes. Okay, got one side though. So I'm gonna work on the other side. Yeah, this is a bit difficult. I'm looking at like the hair and everything. No, it's stuck. Y'all, this install look like Briana's life. And look at the hair color now. Like, look at how nice it looks. Like, don't mind my curls. Like, they're pretty much gone. That's because I don't have a curler or anything, and I don't feel like curling it with the flat iron, so I'd rather just let it freely do what it want to do. I just let it do what it want to do. While we waiting for this to melt, I'm gonna go ahead and close this up, this glue, and put all this stuff back real quick. And I'm just gonna use my even hair stick. This is the Peaches one. I'm gonna turn on my hot comb. And I mean, the hair already looks sleek, but you know, we always like to go that extra mile to make sure this girly is good. Also, like, it adds some shine back into the hair, which also happened with the leave-in conditioner. So yeah, I should be good. I shouldn't need it anymore. I think this is good. So I'm just waiting for that to heat up. And there's something I need to do while I'm waiting for that to heat up. I can't think of it. I can't think of it. I know I'm kind of crazy to do this, but yeah. Heat protectant. That's what it was. I remembered. Because even though this is my hair, still, heat protectant is the way to go. I use this one by Cantu. The only reason why I use this is because this is the only one I have. And I'm going to use what I have before I go buy new stuff. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I usually just spray at the top because like I'm not like doing the whole, I'm not, you know, hot combing the whole thing. So yeah, it's probably going to start sizzling. Like it always does. Oh, it actually didn't. Well, that's because it's not already hot yet either. Y'all, so this is what we look like so far. Look at how shiny that is. Like, look at that. I'm breaking out, y'all. Don't mind my face. I feel like I can't find good stuff like for my face, and that's the irritating part, because you know you're gonna spend a whole bunch of money, then you finally gonna find something, and then you feel like you wasted your money on all the other stuff that didn't work because you were trying to figure out what's gonna work. Yeah, I don't like doing that, honestly. In my last installation video, it was the same hair. I can't remember whether or not I put heat protectant on it. I really can't remember. I honestly cannot remember whether or not I put it on there. Like, I genuinely can't remember. Yeah, I can't remember whether or not I put heat protectant on it last time. I really can't remember. But it actually didn't sizzle, and it's probably because I put the heat protectant. Because I know some of us, black girls specifically, like, when you was growing up, and your mama, like, you had like a nice event come up or something, and your mama went to straighten your hair, she used that, how come she burnt you? I'd be like, put it down, put it down, put it down. Like, put it down. Yeah, so I know we all, for the most part, had to go through that. If not with the hot comb, then definitely with the flat iron. I experienced both. I experienced pain through both. Okay. I think that looks okay. That looks fine. I'm okay. I'm gonna turn this off because it's pretty hot. It didn't burn me, thank God, but it's pretty hot. Alright. So I'm gonna comb this again. I'm loving the how it looks so far. I probably should put it back up so that I can take my band off. And then anything I need to fix after that, I will fix it again. Yeah, I look like alfalfa. Child, bye. Anyways. I gotta get rid of this wig band. It just hurts too much. I'm just tired of the pain. Okay, so well, I guess I don't have to do the edges because it kind of just went back where it was. Up close, it don't look that bad, but from afar, and on me personally, I probably need to add a little bit of foundation, just right there. It's not even that big. I'll do that. I'm gonna do that off camera, but or I might not. Like, I don't know. Let me see. I was about to pick up the hot comb again, y'all. Y'all, this looks fresh. Like, I'm turning this back on. It's still hot. Honestly, I could do a swoop, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do all that. I am astonished with the results. I don't know. I thought it wasn't gonna look as good because I don't know why I thought that. Oh, I thought it was gonna look that good because of the excess glue that's like actually on the lace still. I was concerned about that. Like that it wasn't gonna that it wasn't gonna come out good. Y'all, I'm sorry I'm all over the place, but I wanna make sure my hair looks good while I'm talking to y'all. Do I need to put, yeah, I do. It's like white. It's white. It's white. So I'm gonna put some makeup on it and hopefully I'll make it look better, which it will. So we gotta find my makeup, y'all. I honestly didn't think I wanted to put anything back on. Oh no, yeah, I gotta go get my little brush thing. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. There's still some makeup on here, so I'm gonna use like what's on here first, and maybe I don't have to. No, I still got it. I haven't opened it yet, and I don't plan on opening it right now, so I'll just use this. Yeah. I think that looks a little bit better. Okay, I think that's okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna go back in. I guess I gotta turn this back on. I'm trying not to make much of a mess, so I'm trying to keep everything together. Ooh. So now we're gonna move into the get ready with me portion of this video. I guess the whole thing is get ready with me. Slash reinstallation. Put this over here. I'm gonna go get my. Actually, I'm just gonna stand up the whole video. It's okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna just move my hair out the way and put it in a ponytail. my scrunchie. It's so cute. Okay. So now we're good. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful. Okay, so now, today I feel like doing a little bit of light, really light makeup. Because I'm just going to work, so I'm not going anywhere special. So I'm just gonna do something quick. Okay, so now we're gonna clean out my brows with it's concealer, but it's a concealer that's very close to my skin color. I think I got these from Ulta. That's where I got them from. Let's see, Sephora. It's this one. See, I got this from Ulta Beauty, and I was using this before I finally found a foundation that looked, when I tell you it looks so good, my foundation that I have now. Yeah, I was using concealer before I was using a foundation, because I could never find a foundation that looked good with my skin, and it was kind of annoying. And so I'm just gonna clean all of that excess stuff off in a minute. And that's done, so I'm just gonna like literally clean this up. Okay, so I gotta hurry up because it is 12:27 and I have to be at work by 1. Okay, so that's fine. Now I'm just going to line my lips. Yeah, I'm gonna line my lips. This is a different pencil. And y'all see, as y'all see, my lips are brown. They're brown already. And so it took me forever to find a lip liner that is darker than my lips and actually shows. So this one shows, and I love it. Yeah, this is funny because back in the day, I used to make fun of my mom for doing this, but it always looks so good. Okay, so this is a very, I don't have like makeup on, it's a very light beat. Okay, I'm gonna wait on my lip gloss. We're gonna wait on my lip gloss. I'm going to, what am I gonna do now? Do my eyebrows, do my thing. I'm gonna do lashes really quickly. That will not take long. That will not take long at all. So this is a, I can get it open. This is an eyeliner slash a glue. I'm probably about to start talking fast because I realize that I have to like hurry up and get out of here. Okay, my lashes on that kind of took longer than I wanted it to, but it's okay. We're here. I'm also doing my makeup because we're going to dinner tonight. I mean, it's not a full face, but you get what I'm saying. having a lash issue, and I hate when this happens. In all honesty, I hate when that happens. Okay, cool. That's finally done. That took longer than it should have. Put a little bit of lip gloss on. Okay, now I'm gonna hurry up and clean up. I'm gonna go get dressed and I'm gonna come back on camera. I'm sorry, I'm talking so fast, but yes, I'm about to hurry up. Okay, y'all, so I'm dressed now. I just have on a simple, solid gray turtleneck with a jean jacket. It's kind of cold out, it's kind of chilly outside. I just have on some Chicago sweatpants, and then I'm gonna wear some Nike sneakers, some black and gray Nike sneakers. So I'm gonna put those on, and then I'm gonna go make my lunch, and then I'm gonna try and show y'all the full fit, and then we'll be done. Okay, so now I'm making my lunch real quick, and then I ordered my Uber already. So then I'm about to be headed out the door in a little bit. So I'm gonna try and show y'all the full fit. So I'm gonna just set y'all up so I can see the full fit. This will be mine today. Yeah. Thank y'all for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that share button. And we out, Spice Girl.
I know it's been too long. I've been on the road too much. Had to get back to ya.